Hi guys, it's Amar back with another quick video today, and today I'm just going to show you how to rock a hairband. So I'm just going to start off by using some pre-styler, a Vader thickening tonic. Ensure your hair is wet or damp, and we will just start off by blow drying it back using a roller brush just to brush it back. So we're just going to teach you first how to style the hair before you apply your hairband. It's important that you have enough volume in the hair just because you want the hairband to stay. So I'm just starting off here, guys. I used a Vader thickening tonic just to give my hair that volume, so you'll be able to see that it's really helped to boost it, bearing in mind that I also have fine hair as well. So once that's done, guys, just take your hairband and just put it on, push it up. Make sure it's not too far up because you want to rock it in the best way possible. So just a little bit up and just make sure it's firm. And there you have it, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care.